Are you thinking about selling your home? Avoid these 5 common mistakes that can cost you time, money, and stress. Stick around so you can learn how to get the most out of your home sale. Hi, my name is Patrick Donovan, a real estate expert here in Savannah, Georgia, and our team has helped countless homeowners sell their properties. And today I'm sharing with you the top mistakes I see sellers make and how you can avoid them. So the first mistake that I see home sellers really making is overpricing their homes. I think a lot of times sellers think that their homes are worth more than they really are, or they will not listen to the advice of the real estate agents and the comparable market analysis they've done and given to the seller because they think that their house is better than other people's houses. I hear a lot of times that, hey, I just saw them sell the house down the street for $350,000. And you're saying my house is worth $350,000? Mine is way better than theirs, right? So they were like, no, I want to go 360 because my house is better than theirs. Now, here's the thing. The numbers don't lie. And the real estate agent is doing their best to sell your home as fast as possible. So if you're not going to listen to them, it could cause you issues. The second mistake I see home sellers making is neglecting repairs and updates. Old bathrooms that have old tile, or old appliances that look old, or old, light fixtures, all that stuff is in disrepair. You cannot neglect these, okay? When home buyers come through the home with their agents, they are looking for reasons to pick your home apart. So when you're looking to sell your home, it is imperative to get all those things fixed, especially if you're trying to get the most out of your home. Fix the refrigerator, fix the leaky faucet, replace those light fixtures, get a fresh new paint job. It does a world of difference. Like I said, not everybody can afford to do all things, but if you can do them yourself, I promise you, it makes a world of difference. Do not forget to make those repairs and update your home before you sell. The third mistake I see home sellers oftentimes making is they're not presenting the home in its best light. And what do I mean by that? Oftentimes, I go into some homes with buyers and the home is there's all kinds of stuff everywhere. It's not cleaned all the way. It has a bad smell, like you can tell that there's cats or dogs in there. And they're not presenting the home in its best light. The biggest thing you need to make sure you do before you list your home is make sure you declutter, get all of those years of stuff out of the way. Oftentimes, when you're living at home for a long time, you're just putting stuff places, you don't even realize it's out of the way, but it's still cluttered the way it looks. So you want to make sure you declutter, and then you want to make sure that you have high quality professional HD photos and video. I will tell you, if you hire a real estate agent and they break out their phone to take pictures and call them listing photos, you need to hire another agent. Do not settle for a camera phone. I see these listings with these pictures. You can see the real estate agents in the picture. It's crooked, it's blurry. So the third mistake that home sellers make is not presenting their home properly, okay? The fourth mistake that I see a lot of home sellers making is that the home is just not available to be shown. If you're trying to sell your home, buyers need to see your home. And it needs to be, like I said, the last mistake, it needs to be able to be presented well, okay? So people can get into the home and either eliminate it or say, yeah, I love it. They want to visualize themselves in the property. So the home needs to be available. Do not block off large swaths of time, okay? If you can do it, let everybody see the home, because the more people that see the home, the faster the home will get an offer and the sooner you'll get your money and move on to your next place. So make sure the home is available for people to see. And the fifth mistake that I see sellers oftentimes make is just going it alone. Trying to be a for sale by owner, where we call it, is a FSBO. And this is a huge mistake. And for the reason I stated above, when you talk about overpricing your home, not presenting your home properly, okay? And then another thing, think about this. Say that the home's not available to show because you're at work. Well, you can't be there to show the home, so it doesn't get shown. right? If you're working with a real estate agent, we put a lockbox on there. The great thing about the lockboxes is they're electronic and they keep track of who came in and out. Guess who only has access to those boxes? Real estate agents. So you're going to have a real estate agent with buyers walking them through the home to make sure that your home is safe. But not to mention the paperwork that comes with it. What do you have to disclose? How to keep yourself out of court and keep from somebody suing you. There's a ton of things that can go wrong during a real estate transaction. You do not want to go it alone. Now, a great team will have, like I said, great fit listing photos, great videos, a YouTube presence, an Instagram presence, and a Facebook presence, which we have all of those things. So if you're thinking about selling your home, give me a call at 912-657-3544. We can talk about a consultation. Even if you're early in the process, if you're maybe a year out, give me a call. I could definitely get you started so you're not having to do all those repairs like all at once. You can slowly build to the list, and I would definitely love to help you out. So if you've been watching up to this point, I really appreciate it, and I'll talk to you soon.